If you've ever been in an interview and found yourself staring blankly when asked, "Tell me about yourself," you're not alone. It's one of the most common and often the trickiest questions that interviewers ask. But today we will break it down step by step so you can answer confidently and clearly. Hello everyone, I'm Diksha Arora, your interview coach, and welcome back to my channel. Whether you are a recent graduate or someone with years of experience, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you will know what do interviewers really want to know when they ask this question, a powerful way to answer "Tell me about yourself," and most importantly, towards the end, I will share a golden tip with you to answer this question confidently, especially if you're not fluent in English. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you're notified every time a new video is live, and don't forget to give a big thumbs up to the video if you appreciate my content. Now, without any further delay, let's get straight into the lesson. Let's start by understanding what do interviewers want to know when they ask you to introduce yourself. They want to know about these three things: your background in brief, if you have relevant skills, and most importantly, your motivation to work with them. So now when you know what does the interviewer want to know, let's talk about how to structure your answer. To answer this question effectively, we will use a simple formula. It has three main elements to it. I also call this formula as 3P formula. Element number 1, talking about your position. Start by explaining who you are and where you are in your career right now. What is your current role or what education have you completed? So for example, if you're a fresher, the first line of your introduction should be something like this. Hi, I'm Akshay Rawal. I have just completed my degree in computer science from XYZ University. During my studies, I worked on several group projects, including a mobile app development project where I focused on user interface. I have also worked on so on and so forth. Now, if you're an experienced professional, a good way to start can be by briefly talking about your recent company and relevant work experience. This is how an experienced professional can answer. Hi, I'm Akshay Rawal. I'm a senior marketing strategist at ABC Corporation, where I lead digital marketing campaigns to increase brand visibility and generate leads. I have recently worked on projects like so on and so forth. Element number 2, purpose. Next, explain why you are interested in this role. What about this position excites you? And most importantly, how does your background make you a good fit? Now, if you're a fresher, the next line of your introduction should be something like this. I'm eager to apply what I have learned in a real-world setting. I'm excited about the opportunity to work with a company like yours, known for its innovation in technology. Moreover, I have X and Y skills which will help me to contribute with minimum supervision. Now, if you're an experienced professional, this is the time to talk about your achievements to create real impact. This is what you can say. Over the past 4 years, I have successfully managed campaigns that have increased lead generation by 30%. I want to be part of your team here as I have the skills that aligns well with the requirements of this position. I have also worked on projects like so on and so forth. Remember, adding numbers to your achievements can make you sound more confident and authentic. Element number 3, talking about your passion. Wrap up your answer by telling the interviewer why you are interested in this position. Recruiters prioritize candidates who demonstrate genuine enthusiasm for the company and the role, as this indicates a long-term commitment. Concluding your introduction by expressing your passion for the organization and the position is essential. Whether you are a fresher or an experienced professional, this is what you can say. I'm really excited about this opportunity and eager to learn and grow with your team. Here is a complete sample answer for freshers and experienced professionals. Notice how each of these answers follows the 3P structure to keep the response clear and relevant. Please pause the video and take a screenshot of this part. Now let's talk about the difficult part. How to answer this question confidently if you're not fluent in English. I know many of you might be thinking I'm not great at English, and that's okay. The interviewer is not a grammar expert. They are not going to judge you on a perfect grammar or fancy words. What they care about is clear communication and how well you express your ideas. So if you have average English and you feel nervous about that, don't worry. As long as you take care of the following things, you will be just fine. Number 1, be clear. Focus on getting your message across. Speak slowly and avoid rushing. Tip number 2, be confident. Even if you are unsure about a word or sentence, confidence goes a long way. If you don't know something, say so, but always explain what you do know. Tip number 3, Practice but don't memorize. Rehearse your answers but make sure it sounds natural. And last but not the least, stay positive. Even if you make a small mistake, keep your attitude positive. Everyone makes mistakes, and most interviewers won't even notice if you stay confident. And that's it. Now you are ready to answer Tell Me About Yourself Like a Pro. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more such useful content on interview preparation. And if you have any questions or need help, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Take care and keep following your interview coach Diksha Arora to land your dream job. I'll see you very soon in the next video.